Thanks, Minhua. Today I learned vocabulary words. Level A, lesson 5. Let's start. Okay, so the first thing we have here. What's that? What's that thing? I don't know what's that. If it's the help me see. So what's that? What's oh my gosh. I have it in my eyes too. So what's that? It's called glasses. So why glasses? There's just only one glasses, right? It's only one. But actually, we have two eyes. So we have two lens. So we call it glasses. Glasses, okay? Two lens, remember. The next word we have is the taste of candy. It is the taste of candy. Oh, I love it. This is the taste. When you taste the candy, you can feel that taste. It's wonderful. Many kids like it. So what's this taste? It's a taste of candy. So what's this? Yes, that's right. It's the sweet taste, right? You feel sweet, right? It's sweet. Many candies, they're sweet, right? Maybe ice cream or snacks sometimes, right? So a lot of things maybe that are sweet. And the next word we have is the taste of lemon. Oh, this boy is so poor, right? He tastes the lemon. Oh, and this tastes very pomerol. So it is the different. It is the opposite of sweet. It's called sour. I hate sour taste because why? Why? Because it tastes wonderful. It doesn't taste wonderful like I thought. Yes, and the next word we have is something that grows. It grows on the bird's wing. You see when the birds fly, right? This helps the birds to fly. So what's that? What do you think about this? This is kind of like very softly, and it can help things to fly. Kind of like the bird helps to fly, right? Help the bird to fly. So what's this? It's called a feather. Feather. Be careful, the F. Feather. And the TH. Feather. 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 Feather is softly, how it sounds. Okay? Feather. Feather. Okay, the next word we have is out of harm's way. So this boy, he's holding his father, his mother's arm. So he's safe. He's out of the harm's way. He's not being hurting, right? He's safe. So this word, is it called safe? Let's see, all words. Out of harm's way, okay? So let's see the word. Our word is safe, yes. Safe, the opposite of harms, right? You are being safe, you have been protected, right? And no one can make you to be dangerous. Okay, next word we have here is stone. So stone is kind of like a kind of thing in the nature, right? And this is a non-living thing. So this is kind of like a stone. It is one kind of stone, but it's not stone. So what kind of stone is that? Let's see our words. It is called rock. Rock. Rock is one kind of stone that we have. Rock. Rock is a kind of stone. But don't throw rock because maybe it can hurt you. Rock is kind of like a very, very dangerous kind of stone. So don't throw rocks. It can maybe be very dangerous for us people. And you can maybe in danger if you throw and someone has been hurt by you. Yes. Okay, and the next word. We're just talking about one of this. Usually we have two, right? So what's that? You see thing with this. is called an eye. I, kind of like the letter I, right? I. But we have two eyes, so eyes. Add an S, eyes. All people, they have two eyes. If we just talking one, then we say eye. If we have two, then we say eyes. Eyes, okay? Kind of like the eyes in the cold places, right? Okay, so eyes. You see things with eyes. With these eyes, okay? The next word, we're just talking about one, like we're talking about eyes, and you hear with this, we have two of it, but we're just talking about one. So what's that? What's that called? It's called ear. Ear, ear, ear. We have two ears. When you're using your ears, when you're listening to my lessons, to my words here, you're using your ears to listen to my words. And you're using your eyes to look at me and see what are the words, okay? So ears and eyes, there are two senses that I teach you. Okay? Oh, now look at this dog. You look so poor, right? You look at his kind of like sad. He's been covered with water. It looks like very different dog, right? It's not dry. This word is the opposite of dry. So what's this word? What do you think? I know, it's wet. Wet is a kind of adjective, right? You're wet, you're full of water on your side, and you're wet, very, very wet, okay? Wet means covered with water. And the next word we have here is making a big noise. You're making a big, loud noise, right? So what's it called? It's called loud. Oh my gosh, this girl is going to be, her ears going to be hurt a lot because this woman used a loud thing and she shout at her ears. Oh, it will be very bad for her ears, right? So it's loud. It's a big thing, loud, okay? And the next word, to have a particular flavor. To have a flavor, okay? So this girl, she's a cook. So she's tasting and she see what is the particular flavor of the food that she cooked. So what's this called? It's called taste. Taste maybe can be two tastes that I teach you. They're sweet or sour, right? So you taste something. Just a small sip can taste it. Just a small spoon, you can taste the flavor of the food. Okay? Taste can be an adjective, or it can be a verb too. Adjective means has taste, and verb means you are tasting. What is the flavor of this one? Okay? So be careful if you're using these words. Okay? The last word we have here is to look at something. So this man is using a binocular. He's using binoculars. Binoculars are for people to look at something that is far. So means to look at something. What does it mean? To look at something that is far or near, right? So this man is using binocular to look at something. So what this word called? Do you know? It's see. You're seeing something, right? You're looking at something. You see it, right? You look at it. You see it, right? You're seeing my face right there, right? Of course. And this man, we see that there are three kinds of verb right here. we have see, saw, and seen. See, saw, and see. We use see and saw. And very, very rarely we use see, right? Okay, so see, saw, and see. Bye. See you next time.